think I finally got it running somewhat correctly. Got the carburetor cleaned up. Got the timing reset and the idle jets and the idle screw and all that stuff set. I got it to where it'll run the PTO now and the governor kicks in. It won't run the PTO, it won't run the deck with in third gear, but that's a really high road gear, so you wouldn't be mowing that anyway. It's too tall. But I think I've got the timing right. It takes throttle a lot better than it did. Just on PTO here. Cleaned out the distributor cap, the rotor, cleaned the points, cleaned the plugs. Seems to be doing better. I think it needs electronic ignition and a tune-up kit.